San Pedro Fast Auto Glass is your trusted partner in auto glass expertise, right here in beautiful San Pedro, Los Angeles. We believe in the importance of clear visibility and vehicle integrity, delivering services designed to keep you safe on the road. Our team specializes in a full range of services, including auto glass repair, windshield repair and replacement, sunroof repair, and convenient mobile auto glass service. With a commitment to quality and speed, we make sure you're back on the road the same day. At San Pedro Fast Auto Glass, we take pride in serving our community with a dedication to excellence. From quick fixes to complex repairs, you can trust us to provide reliable service every time. Visit us online at sanpedrofastautoglass.com or call us at 424-273-8976 to schedule your service today. Let's keep your journey clear and safe.